Perfecting the S sound. Clear pronunciation of sit and some pronunciation is a key aspect of learning English, as it can greatly influence how well you are understood by others. One sound that ESL students often struggle with is the S sound, particularly when it occurs at the beginning or end of words. In this essay, we will focus on two common words, war sitf and thaiersum, and provide numerous examples to help you perfect your pronunciation of this challenging sound. Let's start with the word echu sit, or a's. The S sound in this word is voiceless and occurs at the beginning. To pronounce it correctly, place the tip of your tongue behind your top front teeth and release a burst of air, making sure not to add any vibration in your vocal cords. Here are some examples of words that start with the S sound: sit, sad, sun, sock, soup, now. Let's move on to the word hadsum, where the S sound appears at the end. To pronounce it correctly, again, place the tip of your tongue behind your top front teeth and release a burst of air without any vibration in your vocal cords. Here are some examples of words that end with the S sound: some. Bus, dress, kiss, cross. It's important to note that the S sound can also change depending on the context in which it appears. For example, when the word aussehen is followed by a voiced consonant like omenai or anze, where the pronunciation of the S sound may become slightly voiced. Here are some examples to illustrate this. Some, voiced S sound. Swim, voiced S sound. Jazz, voiced S sound. Practice these words and pay close attention to how the S sound is pronounced in different contexts. Listening to native speakers and mimicking their pronunciation can also be helpful in perfecting this challenging sound. Additional vocabulary: snakes, slither, smoothly, south, slippery seals, swiftly, see, cells, silent, smart, simple. In conclusion, mastering the S sound in words like nalkersip and frottersamha is essential for clear and effective communication in English. By practicing these words and paying attention to the examples provided, you can improve your pronunciation skills and become more confident in your spoken English. Keep practicing, and don't be afraid to ask for feedback from native speakers to further refine your pronunciation.